Effects of soil pollution. Soil pollution refers to the building up of toxic chemical compounds, salts, radioactive material, and disease causing organisms, that is, pathogens. All these pollutants affect the plant and animal life. During the course of farming, the soil is treated with various fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, etc., which disturbs the natural process taking place in the soil. The fertility of soil is reduced and soil becomes dependent on fertilizers. Application of fertilizers also bring chemical changes in soil which disturbs the life in soil. Lime is generally considered useful, but too much application of it can turn the soil alkaline and is likely to depress the much needed biological process in soil like nitrification and decomposition of organic matter. Nitrate are generally used as fertilizers, but their prolonged application may be dangerous for soil organisms and can cause fatal diseases in soil like meningitis. The use of insecticides and pesticides, no doubt, kills the unwanted pests but also affects the beneficial organism in soil. Most of the insecticides remain active for years and tend to accumulate in soil, which are absorbed up by plants. They reach the body of human beings when they consume these plants. This is called biomagnification. Biomagnification is the accumulation of substance upward in the food chain. It happens by the way of transfer of residues of the substance in smaller organisms that are eaten by larger organisms in the chain. DDT, for example, is sprayed on plants that is consumed by microorganisms and insects. These insects are eaten by animal of the next order and DDT gets transformed to that animal which in turn is consumed by the other next order animal. As the level of food chain increases, the DDT accumulation also increases. Moreover, DDT was once considered an effective insecticide, but after some years, many insects, including mosquitoes, became tolerant to their use. Salinization is another effect of soil pollution, which is caused by faulty irrigation methods. It makes the soil ineffective because of decomposition of salts on the topsoil. Faulty method of cultivation leads to laterization and the soil leads towards desertification due to lack of humus. Effects of radiation pollution. Radiation pollution is very hazardous in nature and can be deadly to the people and environment. It is caused by radioactive material generated by the nuclear reactors. The radioactive particle spread over earth and an atmosphere as a result of nuclear explosions and as discharge of waste from nuclear power plants. The radioactive particles are so minute that they can travel the whole earth without even settling over earth's surface. All parts and organs of the human body are damaged by nuclear radiation. The radioactive pollutant can have far-reaching effect up to several generations because they are capable of damaging the reproductive cells also. Transportation and strong storing of nuclear waste are serious problems and pose serious health and environmental hazards. The nuclear waste remains active for thousands of years. The amount of waste is increasing in tune with the rapidly growing industrialization and urbanization. The proper disposal of waste thus becomes a need for all the countries. The air, water, and soil are getting polluted at alarming rates. Discharge of industrial effluents release many toxic materials in the water. Effect of nuclear waste is beyond control. Most of the hazardous waste comes from nuclear plants. The nuclear power plant generates a large amount of energy, but its wastes are the most harmful. Uranium and plutonium are major raw materials used in the generation of nuclear power. When uranium is mined, a gas called radon is released which is radioactive. The discharged fuel from nuclear plant is placed in water storage pool where it is kept for a year or more. Its waste remains radioactive for thousands of years. Therefore, such a waste can bring harm even to the coming generations. Various methods are being discussed at the international level to dispose of this waste. Sometimes radioactive materials leak from nuclear plants in case of accidents. This material is capable of destroying life in the surrounding regions. Thermonuclear tests for the development of nuclear weapons add to the nuclear pollution. Many countries make such tests. USA has even dropped two bombs on Japan in World War II. Effects of noise pollution. The stressful sound is referred as the noise pollution. Nowadays, it is increasing at a rapid pace with increasing urbanization. Its impact is very severe on humans. Any sound that is louder than the normal level of talking can damage the delicate ear cells in the inner ear. These cells convert the sound waves into auditory nerve signals. Initially, the damage can be temporary, but constant exposure to such sound levels can damage the cell permanently. That causes deafness. Sudden, extreme loud noise like gunshots can cause immediate hearing loss. If high sound levels do not cause deafness, it may lead to a disease called tinnitus, which causes ringing in ears. Factory workers, military, and police personnel, musicians, firefighters are at high risk of hearing problems due to continuous exposure to high sounds. Even if sound does not damage the ears, it does make the surrounding irritating. It becomes difficult to converse. Sounds of helicopters and aeroplanes make acute noise pollution. These sounds disturb the sleep of humans. Such sounds frighten the birds and animals. At sea, the sound of ship engines and their horns disturb the marine life. This is because the sound waves travel faster in water than in air. Scientists are of the view that excessive noise pollution in the coastal areas may affect the whale migration.